Finally, Shia Skin Care is coming to YouTube. We do everything all natural and we make it multifunctional and effective, always effective. I am a certified aromatherapist and I wanted to bring natural skincare products to people without you having to do everything yourself. What you'll find in this channel is quick and effective tips that I will give you every Thursday with my little Thursday beauty tip. And what I'll do is showcase a natural way to take care of your skin. Also, you'll get weekly updates on any pop-ups that we're doing around New York City or Los Angeles, and where to find us and keep in contact with us. So I really hope you enjoy this, and I will do my best to provide content to you weekly and keep you guys posted on everything that we're doing. So stay tuned to our channel, and I really hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. You can always follow us on Instagram and Twitter at Shia Skin. That's at Shia, S-H-I-A, Skin. All right, see you guys soon. Want more? Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss a thing. And follow us on Instagram at Shia Skin. I create the was a little nutty. Yeah, not knowing what's in it. La 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 la.